to a lot of different trails. I just hit her in the face.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
We are here in Oak Mountain State Park in Alabama, and we've come to see Peavine Falls.
Yes, we're taking the green and white trail, which is about 1.6 miles total. It's a loop, and so we're hoping to see some views as well as get to see the waterfall. So we're pretty stoked.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So this is a map of the park. We're gonna be right down here. It says you are here. And so we're gonna be doing this little loop here using this little connector trail. But there's so much. Like, this place is massive. It's crazy.
Yes.
Okay, so we're at the green trail. We're gonna find the connector trail to the white trail. That'll take us back to the falls. Most people are gonna park on that side of the parking lot where the bathroom is, and you'll think, oh, I need to go there. You can go there and do the white trail. We're gonna do the green trail first. That way we connect into the white and go to the falls.
Let's do it.
Just for a little clarification.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me.
I think what I'm loving most about this trail is the fact that it's up on a ridge and there's views on both sides. If you're gonna go to Peavine Falls, you definitely need to take the green trail because it is gorgeous.
I'll end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. You used to say that I was great, but I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me, but I just want, yeah, I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay with me. You used to say that I was great, but I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me, but I just want, yeah, want you to stay. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay,
couple things to note about this trail. There is the Peavine Falls trail, which is behind me, and you actually just walk from the parking lot to start this trail. It's a lot shorter, but you can also take the white trail, which is what we've done, and that'll take you to a lot of different trails. I just hit her in the face. That'll take you to a lot of different trails, and it'll also connect to the green, which is what we did earlier to get down to the falls, which we would highly recommend because the views on the green trail are amazing. So amazing. And I have to say, this place is amazing. It's unique, it's beautiful all throughout. Yes, it's got views, waterfalls, and they're not just like dinky stuff. I mean, it's like real deal stuff. So this is definitely a fantastic place that we will be coming back to in the future for videos and then for fun too.
Yeah,
So.
I would say it's a really I would say it's a really family-friendly trail. There are a lot of people with their kids and their dogs even, and down at the waterfall, you can get kind of into the waterfall and splash around and have fun. So on a warm day, this would be a great waterfall to go to.
There is some climbing that you have to do. So consider that before you come, but definitely come check it out. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel. New videos every week. We're super excited to be building Journey More with all of you. So come along, come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time.